Consider the objects 1, 2, 3, 4 with the distance matrix. Apply the single linkage hierarchical procedure twice. The two clusters that result are. So first of all, the single linkage. So in the single linkage, we find the distance between two clusters. So the distance between two clusters must be equal to the minimum distance between any pair of points across the cluster. So we can start with any of these four singleton clusters and apply this procedure twice. So first, if we list out the pairwise distances, the non-zero ones. So distance between 1 and 2 is 1, distance between 2 and 3 is 2, distance between 2 and 4 is 3, distance between 3 and 4 is 4, and distance between 1 and 4 is 5, and distance between 1 and 3 is 11. So we can clearly see that this is the smallest. So therefore in the first merge, we merge this 1 and 2. So that is our first merge. So the clusters now are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we need to compute the distances the distances using single linkage. So first, if I find the distance between 1, 2 and 3. So first thing is distance between 1, 2 and 3. So that is nothing but minimum of d of 1, 3, d of 2, 3. So d of 1, 3 is 11 and 2, 3 is 2. So that is nothing but 2. Similarly, distance between 1, 2 and 4. So that is nothing but minimum of distance of 1, 4 and 2, 4. So that is nothing but minimum of 5, 3, which is nothing but 3. And in a similar way, distance between 3 and 4. So that is distance of 3, 4, which is nothing but 4. So if you see, the smallest distance is 2. So we merge 1, 2 and 3 in the second merge. So that will become 1, 2 and 3. So therefore the final clusters after 2 merges will be 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So that means option B is the correct answer.